Jain Sab Shriman TS20 SWF 551 384 Lens Corporal K. Shravani. Today I am from GDCW Siddipet. Today my topic is attire of Telangana. Firstly, I am introducing you about this saree. Wearing a saree is must for women to conserve the culture of Telangana. Telangana is well known for silk sarees. These hand woven sarees that are mixture of silk and fabric cotton are ideal for using as traditional wear and at the same time also suit for contemporary style. The most famous sarees of Telangana culture and traditional include Gadwal sarees, Pochampalli silk sarees and Ikat sarees. Women wear saree to express the pride of their nation and tradition of Telangana. And my next topic is about Langavoni. A Langavoni is a traditional dress worn in South India by young girls between puberty and marriage. Langavoni is also known as half saree and two-piece saree, also called Pavadai Dhavani or Langa Dhavani. A half saree is a traditional outfit that is extremely prominent in Telangana. Half saree is worn by young girls in celebrations of Batkama ceremony. And my next topic is about dhoti. In Telangana, commonly like to wear dhoti and kurta. Dhoti is a word that originated from the Sanskrit word dhauta. The dhoti was also considered to be an attire that combined respect and dignity. This outfit is part of complete set and is usually worn for festivals or wedding ceremonies. Commonly in village, some people use dhoti as daily wear. In agriculture fields to cultivate the crops, use the dhoti for comfort. And my next topic is about dhoti saree. Dhoti saree is worn by old ladies in villages. It is one of the traditional style of Telangana people. It is a time consuming dressing style of Telangana people. It is also known as Nawari. Thank you, sir.